Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off keyboard sound in OnePlus Nord 5. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video.